My favorite part, cracking head bolts. Oh, no. Go, wait, go around. The bottom side. Yeah, we had something going on. Yeah, we can see a significant buildup here. We're going to go ahead and pull out these hydraulic lifters, starting from the front. Look at that. Notice the depth difference? Dirt and debris aside, but look at the difference in depth here. We got a collapsed hydraulic cylinder, or possibly seized. Both of them are like that, no less. Let's pull the rest and see how they all turn out. Notice the difference in height, where the hydraulic lifter is pushed below the retaining clip, and this one is right at the retaining clip. Surprised this thing wasn't clacking when it was, but yeah, hydraulic lifters on cylinder 3 were problematic. They were not allowing the cylinder to open or close. It looks like the rest of this engine's all right.